Baby, why you playing games with me? Let's smoke another pack, let it go, no baby, breathe. You used to love to laugh and you said cats change me. Oh God, wishing I would take a seat. They trying to see me fall.
Hey, what's up guys, this is Oztech. Welcome back to a brand new review. Today I'll be reviewing this Monster Adventurer Force Bluetooth speaker. This Monster Adventurer Force is a feature-rich Bluetooth speaker with the latest Bluetooth 5.0 technology built in, and with an official IPX7 waterproof resistant rating, and features an 18-hour plus battery life. This speaker also comes with a Type-C input for charging. This is the only speaker I've seen in the market that has a Type-C input for charging. And you can also see right here for the diagram of the speaker, it looks like it's a really weird, strange design speaker with a tweeter for the front and side woofers. Let's not talk anymore and let's start unboxing this thing. The first thing we see in the packaging is this Monster manual for the speaker, and we also have a warranty card for the speaker. The second thing we see is a package full of accessories, the 3.5mm headphone jack and the Type-C charging input, the first I ever seen in a Bluetooth speaker. And this mysterious black package is the most interesting thing about this speaker. When you open it, you'll see that it comes with a microphone. I've hardly seen any portable Bluetooth speaker come with microphone this good quality. The second thing we see in this mysterious packaging is this wire you connect to the microphone directly to the speaker. And there's nothing else in this mysterious packaging. Let's keep opening the box and take out this foam. Wow, look guys, we see a really beautifully wrapped speaker in this silky plastic. So let's have an overview of the speaker. The top control bar, we have a forward and a backwards button. And we also have a pause button right here, power button, and a mode button. The side of the speaker has a plastic grill, but I wish it was metal. So let's go over the port selection we have on the speaker. So we have an SD card slot for MP3 player mode, a USB Type A, a 3.5mm, and a Type-C charging port, along with the mic input.
Hello, testing. This is a speaker microphone test, and as you guys can hear, there's a echo made into this speaker, which is extremely good for karaoke systems. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2.
This microphone has a on-off switch here and metal top. So let's hear some sound tests with this Monster Adventurer Bluetooth speaker. So right now I'm going to be taking apart the speaker to show you guys the insides of the speaker. So you need a 2.5, I don't know what to call this tip, but it's just a 2.5 size, and put it onto your favorite screwdriver. So let's start taking this speaker apart, and all you need to do here is just to take out these little screws one by one, slowly. So now you can pop off the plastic grill right now, and you can see now is the exposed speaker itself. It's kind of wet because I put it in water just to play with it. So now let's complete this disassembly by taking off the screws that's holding down the speaker driver unit. So right now all you have to do is use a tweezer like I did right here and just slowly pry it up. Don't use too much force or you might damage the wire that's connecting to the speaker unit itself. And look at that, guys, here's a really good driver. It's really huge magnet with vented coils and a cone. The cones are treated with some kind of thingy so it's waterproof, and the speaker is 6 ohms 25 watts. So after you unsolder the speaker from the amplifier, you have to remove the battery pack so you don't risk damaging the amplifier itself. So right now I'm going to take a screwdriver and take the battery pack out and show you guys what the battery pack is. So here's the battery pack itself. It's likely double parallel 18650 batteries wired in series that's giving you 7 volts in total. So 4 18650 inside this power pack. Monster says that this speaker has a 4000 milliamp power pack, and if they're using a really good cell then it might be 8000 because like good cells are like 2000 a cell. Let's continue disassembling this speaker. Go to the back port and there's 2 hidden screws at the back. Once you're done unscrewing those screws, you can just slide out this power amp easily. And right now you have to remove the ribbon cable for the control board on the top. It will easily slide out. And right here, the other speakers power, you have to also remove that to take the speaker power amp out. So right here is the speaker power amp. It has a built-in heatsink, which I'm pretty surprised it does. And it has a few capacitors, green ones, I don't know what brand that is. And I've unsoldered the heatsink from the power amp, and here is a thermal pad hiding the amplifier chip. So I'm pretty curious what kind of amplifier chip this thing houses. And that is a really tiny power amplifier chip. The chip code is BZ0AMA, and I can't find any information online about this chip. So here is the speaker driver having some excursion. So I was interested in how this speaker will perform with a different amplifier, maybe something more powerful. So I'm using a 50-watt mini amplifier to test the speaker, and look at that, bro. The speaker is moving like crazy.
But you still like a puzzle that be missing pieces. So why you playing games with me? Let's smoke another pack, let it go, no baby, breathe. You used to love to laugh and you said cats change me. Oh God, wishing I would take a seat. They tryna see me fall, drowning in the jealousy. But shorty, after all,
So what's my opinion on this Bluetooth speaker? So in conclusion, the Monster Adventurer Force is a really great speaker. Priced at $130 on Amazon right now, I think it's a fair price because I think that Monster is trying to, change the game right now in 2020. So this speaker is their company's new design and trying to compete in the audio field right now. So you guys might know Monster as a company that worked with Beats by Dre at the past, and they created headphones, portable speaker, and I've heard one of their collaborations, the Monster Beats by Dre beatbox, the ones with double drivers in them, and those things scream bass. Like every single time I hear them, it's really just bassy. But right now, this Monster Adventurer Force speaker is a completely different story. So this speaker, the sound is a flat sound. So there's no crazy bass, there's no crazy mids or highs, it's just flat. And most other speaker in the markets right now is just screaming, emphasizing in bass, while this Adventurer 4 speaker is basically a flat speaker. Think about it like this. Studio monitor speakers, that's how I'm gonna put it as. Really good speaker to, want to hear the original sound file created by the artist, and the speaker is just perfect for you. The bass notes on this speaker is amazing. It's really natural bass. You're not gonna have like deep bass, but it's a really natural, you know. Now another weird thing about this speaker is the driver placement. There's two woofers at the side and two tweeters in the middle. One tweeter pointing at you and one tweeter pointing at the back. Well, it's not really weird if you actually hear it in person. Like, if you put it whatever direction you aim it at, you can still hear the same sound. I don't know how to describe it, but it's kind of like a concert experience where you can hear the vocals in the middle and hear all the other instruments on the side. It's basically like a surround sound experience that's really impressive. When I first turned on the speaker and just played some music, I was overturned by the experience I have with this speaker. When I hear it, it makes me feel like what I've done, what I've heard in the past, is completely junk. Because what I heard in the past is just completely bassy speakers, portable speakers, and this one is completely different. It's showing you like the original raw file that the artist made and wanted you to hear, and that's what they're doing right now. I think it's a pretty smart move smart move by Monster, because they're trying to fill up a niche in the audio market right now, which a Bluetooth speaker without deep bass emphasizing, and I think that this speaker is really good for that. So in my opinion, this speaker is just amazing. One thing I would like Monster to improve on this speaker, maybe the next generation, is to improve their amplifier board on this speaker. I feel like this speaker should have had tone control. Maybe a button on the top that has 3 preset tone controls that can let the user choose between bassy, non too bassy, or not bassy mode. You know what I mean? And also maybe make the speaker more powerful, a little bit more powerful. Maybe make the bass a little bit more punchy. Another interesting thing is that the driver says 25 watts, so if you add those up, it's 50 total power. And the Monster is only saying it's 40 watts, so that's a little good thing about this company. Other companies, they'll probably have 10 watt speakers inside the speaker, and they'll probably say it's 100 watt power. But yeah, overall, I enjoy this speaker. It's a must buy if you're an audiophile like me that likes clarity and sound, that likes to have a speaker that emphasizes in just studio quality sound. So yeah, that concludes my review, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this review of the Monster Adventurer Force speaker. If you guys did, press the like button and subscribe button on YouTube, and if you're watching it on Amazon, press the helpful button and follow me on my Amazon page. And I'll see you guys in another review. Goodbye, it's me, Oztech, signing out.